Tina Harbuck. I'm down here in Destin at the docks right now. We got boats coming in. A lot of fish being hung up.
I was going to try and take credit.
Let's go down here and see what they got on this boat.
Yeah, let's go see if they got anything.
Oh, look at there, look at there, look at those right there, those snappers. Snappers and mingos, hauling them off for the day. We just had a rain shower come through here about 5 minutes ago.
We've been in it all day.
Did you been? What was it like out there today, Captain Dennis?
I'm sorry.
Choppy, but real wet. Real wet.
Y'all got wet then while you were out there?
Lots of rain.
Lots of rain.
A lot of lightning.
We've been.
but the fish bit good.
I see that. I see that. Let's
Fish
see
bit
what.
good.
Here they're pulling them out. We're down here at the Destiny right now.
All right, guys, y'all smile for this lady. She's with the newspaper, so
Oh,
y'all
look at
give me
here.
proud here.
Show me that fish right there.
Oh,
I like it.
Jump up there, young.
nice messy fish.
Jump up
I
there.
like it. Good job, guys.
It's simple. I can do it.
Good job.
How about fish taco, guys?
Fish taco.
I love it. Fish tacos. And they will make good fish
All right,
tacos.
guys, here we go. Fish taco.
Fish taco.
All right, let's walk down this way and see what else we got.
Yeah, it was just like that. You want me to hold you?
Vengeance came in a few minutes ago. They had a see Case right here. He's chopping on a big old cobia.
Hi, my dad got the amophobia.
Did y'all catch it bottom fishing?
We're actually mackerel fishing.
Really?
Got them on the rigger rod.
Oh,
He
wow.
was the one who caught it.
You caught it, huh?
I reeled it in.
You reeled it in?
I had help.
Did it fight pretty good?
Oh yeah.
All right.
I got a trigger fish.
You got a trigger fish?
2020, like 2021.
And it had to go back though, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's past time on the trigger fish right now. Let's see what we got down here on the Windwalker. They came in a few minutes ago. Looks like they got their share of red snappers. We got some king mackerel right here cleaning up. How was it out there today?
Nice.
Nice. That's what I'm hearing for the most part. Captain Dennis said he got wet out there today on the party boat, but for the most part, everybody says they stayed dry until they got right back here.
Inside the wheelhouse.
I love it. I love it. All right, we got Captain Destin up here. He's getting ready to load up, head out for the day. Captain Justin, what kind of trip y'all got coming up?
6 hours.
6 hours. Y'all heading out, huh?
Head out. Get after them.
I love it. I love it. All right.
You're pushing it, Ray.
Looks like they're getting ready to go. Just coming in from diving, huh?
Yeah.
Ha-
Oh,
What's it like when y'all you got weather like this and diving?
Say it one more time. Which is like when
Yeah, when it's weather like this and you're out there diving. What's it?
we're gonna get wet one way or the other.
Well, there you go. Exactly.
Successful.
I love it. Oh, it looks like we got some lionfish here, huh?
Social media, if that's all right.
Look at there. They're just up close
Can you?
on a lionfish.
Stick your thing in.
Oh man, is that the baby?
This is the monster of the day.
The monster of the day. Let me see that big thing.
Get in there with it.
Holy cow! Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, look.
Perfect.
Proud of their
Hold that
lionfish.
pose, man.
Proud of their lionfish. I love it. That's
Now hold the
great.
lionfish closer to me so it looks bigger.
Yeah, you can hold that one way out there. I don't think it's gonna help. That is awesome.
It's gonna be funny as shit.
That's awesome. That is awesome. All right. So the dive crew just came in. As Captain said, they're gonna be wet one way or the other, so it doesn't really matter.
Hey, dodge the lightning too. You gotta do that.
Dodge the lightning. That exactly.
Her goober got hit the other day.
Yeah. Had a couple of boats this week, but everybody's okay.
Right.
Everybody's okay. That's the main thing. Let's take a walk down here. See what's going on down here. I know JT on the Dawn Patrol came in a while ago. He had a couple of kings and red snappers and and that kind of thing, but he came in right when it was raining. But now, as you see, it's just a little wet on the docks. We're hearing still a little rumbling in the background, but for the most part, it's okay. Captain Mike Dates had a good catch too of red snappers. Let's get down here so you can see them. I don't think they got them all cleaned yet. Yep, Captain JT is still cleaning on the fish. Captain JT, we live on Facebook right here. How was it today?
It was pretty good.
I see that. So y'all didn't run into any rain then, not until you...
Nope, right there at the very end.
Right there at the very end. Got out there and got your fish and came on in.
Yes, we did.
I love it. You see that right there? We got king, we got snappers, we got groupers.
Yep. Had a blackfin right up to the boat and pulled the hooks on it.
Oh, wow. Any size to it?
It's about 25, 28 pounds.
Oh, that's nice. Nice one. Nice one. Let's walk down here and see. Mike's about got all his fish cleaned up. How was it out there today, Mike?
It was absolutely gorgeous. It was
That's what I'm hearing.
overcast, very little wind, maybe 1 foot, but they fished it really good.
All right. As you said, Team Small Boats did it up good today out there.
Center console got
They
it
got
done.
look, Center Console's got it done today. You see, they got the big snappers too. All right.
About a mile off the beach.
About a mile off the beach. That's awesome. Let's see what OC's got down here. Oh, look at here. We got some snappers. And we got some mahi-mahi. Looks like we already cleaned up the king, huh?
Huh?
You had a mackerel over there?
Yeah, King's gone.
King is gone.
How do you want to do these? You want me to strip them down and I'll play it out all the way, or get the plate off?
It looks like Chuck's still cleaning fish down here.
Hey,
Chuck had.
you just looking for a
Yeah,
potato?
I'm live on Facebook right here. So what
Hey,
do
now.
we have today, Chuck?
A red snapper and a couple black snapper to go with it.
I say, how was the fishing?
It was good, but it was could have been better, but it was okay.
Are you
All
just
right.
taking bonitas?
All right.
Yep.
And what are you getting the bonitas for there, Mr. Neal?
We're sharking.
Sharking.
Caught a bull shark about 500 this morning.
Oh, wow.
About half a dozen nice dolphins, and everything's good.
All right. So what do? You cut the bonitas up, grind them up?
Grind them up. Can't tell y'all my secret.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah, you know.
I hear you. I hear you. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like Tim is unloading here at double time. He got his snappers. He's still unloading over here. What all you got, Tim? I see you got some snappers. I see you got some kings. We're live on Facebook here.
7. Oh, so
Kings.
we got
All right, let me ease past you here. Not bad, not bad. See what we got going on over here. As you can see, when it's the lunch hour down here at the docks, it's busy. Keeps you hopping. Looks like we got the high cotton fixing to back in over here. Captain TJ, let's go see what they got today, and then we're probably gonna get a wrap here. I starting to see, as you can see, we got some dark clouds still looming around. Got an excited customer there on the back of the boat. Let's go see what they got. How you folks doing?
Great.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
All smiles.
Did y'all get wet today?
No.
No, not at all. Other than a little spray.
We dodged the rain drought.
Dodge the rain, I hear you.
That's all
I hear you.
Gotta get out there. You gotta get out there, that's all.
There you go.
We had to come back here.
Yeah, you get wet when you get back to the docks. Is the way it works. And you folks are getting ready to go out on the first light. All right. What y'all gonna catch?
Hopefully a red snapper.
A big one. A big one. There you go. I like it. I like it. A big one.
Just one big one.
Just one big one. Why? Hey, that was a huge bonita. Some big ones. Some big ones. I like it. More than one. More than one. All right. Let's see what we got here. It's starting to rain a little bit again. June. Oh man, look at that big old jack. See that right there? That is a Jack Crevalle, and that is a big one. I see two of them. We got us a cane,
Yep.
and some red snappers.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Where are you folks from?
We're from Ohio.
Ohio. I love it.
Cincinnati, Ohio.
We're down here on the high cotton, and they just came in with these fish. We got Cap DJ. We're live on Facebook, man. I was just checking. Live in the rain on Facebook, yep. I need an inside job, exactly. I need an inside job. All right, folks, I'm fixing to sign off. We're gonna hang these fish, and then we'll get a picture. And we will check with you later.